everybody, welcome to my new YouTube lifestyle channel. And as we're all on lockdown at the moment, I thought I'd take this opportunity to share some tips, reviews, information and just everyday lifestyle stuff. So hopefully the lockdown won't go on too long, guys. I hope you're all staying safe. And in today's video, I'm going to do a bedroom tour. I bought some bedding out of B&M before the lockdown, and I washed it before I put it on the bed, so we'll go up and I'll show you that, because I'm going to do like a review on it in about 3 or 4 months time. We'll go and see, I have to keep washing it, let's just see how much colour comes out of it and how much it fades. So saying that, grab yourself a hot drink and I'll meet you upstairs. See you in a moment. Okay guys, we're up in my bedroom now, and this is the bedding I'm talking about, which I got from B&M. My idea was I wanted like a leopardy print theme, but I didn't want the full leopard bedspread. So I happened to see this picture in, I think it was the range, I think it was 25 quid. And then I went into Dunelm and I found a similar bedding to this one. I mean, this was, I think it was last year. And I found a similar bedding to this one by Emma Willis, the Emma Willis range. It was really nice and I did really like it. It was started off a great big navy because I wanted navy as well with their leopardy theme kind of. So it was big polka dots down here, then it went on an ombre effect, so they went obviously smaller and smaller down there. And the two pillows, these, like the two scatter cushions, they were like a head of a leopard on one side, and then the other one was the back of the leopard. So when you put them together, it looked like the whole leopard. Well, they were something like 25 quid each, and I just didn't want to pay that. And the whole bedding itself, the actual bedspread, I think it was the kit. This is a king, so king size bedspread, 2 pillowcases, came to, I'm sure it came to about £100. I think it was 70 quid, and then with the pillows as well was just over 100. So I used to buy bedding years ago and spend a lot of money on it, and these days you don't need to, because you know this bedding costs £17 for this king. You know, even if I have it for a year and I throw it away, you know, it's not a major issue, it's not major money. So all I need to do now is change get another sheet, navy sheet, replace that one, and then navy pillowcases or white ones, and I'm well pleased with that. I have washed it a couple of times. Sorry, I just put my hand over the camera. I have washed it a couple of times since I've had it. I think I put it on the bed. I bought it just before the lockdown. I think it was a week before the lockdown. And then it was the following week. I put it on, so where are we now? Week 3, something like that. So I've washed it twice. It'd be interesting to see in a few months what the quality of the colours will be like, whether it's gonna fade. I think the navy might fade. So we'll keep an eye on that, guys, and then in a few months time we'll go back to it and we'll see. The only thing I don't like on this bed, I bought this bed skirt off of eBay. It is so baggy, it is absolutely awful. It's cream colour crushed velvet. It's got elasticated on the top and elasticated around the bottom, and it's all baggy. I paid £40 for it off of eBay. So if you're buying a bed skirt, just be careful what you're spending. I didn't want a valance as such, but I wanted to cover up the divan base, because obviously they look ugly. So yeah, I'm not at all pleased with that, but it's too late now. It's on the bed and I've just got to make do with it. I might dye it actually. I've got some dye downstairs and I might actually dye it maybe grey, just to go, because my carpet's grey. So, and then obviously I've just got a throw on the bottom there. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. It looks quite nice, well pleased. So coming over this side, so please, I've just taken my hairband out, sorry, you're going to see me in the mirror and I've got mad hair, but my hairband was giving me a headache, so just ignore my hair. So with the mirror, this is an old mirror, and we literally, this was like a creamy colour around there with some gold in it, and all my husband did was buy some silver spray paint and sprayed it, and it's actually come out pretty good. I'm pleased with that. And then I've got a couple of little DIY projects here, which I like doing. So this one here is supposed to be like a little mini chandelier, if you like. So obviously I can't go out and buy anything at the moment. So I thought, well, I like crafts, I'll try and make one. So I just ordered these little like candlestick holders and off of Amazon. and all the crystals as well. And believe it or not, this little basket is literally a little wire basket. And I watched someone do this on YouTube and got inspiration from it. I thought, well, let's try and create it myself. I just put a little bit bling around it. Then all I've got to do is put like a candle on the top of there. So that didn't come out too bad for my first attempt. And then this is another little DIY. This little pot here was a clear glass pot. It's an all-in-one thing, so it's one set. And I bought that, I think it was from Home Bargains, was $1.50. And I literally spray painted it, put some Mod Podge around the top bit here, crushed glass, and then bung some flowers in it. And the flowers came from the range. Really good quality. Years ago, silk or artificial flowers weren't great quality. They looked cheap. But these days, if I come back, they look really good. So I'm really pleased with them. All I'm going to do is now swap the peach out and order some navy, if I can get some navy roses, maybe off of Amazon and eBay, and just swap them out just to go with my theme at the moment. But this is a good thing about having just white walls. You can just mix and match your colour scheme. You can change your bedding for £17. I can go and buy another bedding and change that colour, and then your accessories, you just change your accessories. So it's, you know, adaptable. Grey headboard goes with neutral, goes with anything. And all my furniture is from IKEA. Fits in perfectly, white, happy days. My blinds, just quickly mention my blinds. We wanted shutters, but when we looked at the prices and had a quote, oh my God, you wouldn't believe it, there was about £9,000 for my whole house. So we just said no, there's no way we can afford that, so we didn't go with them. So we had these day and night blinds. They're really nice. The only thing I would say is, because they're white, they don't block out the light. So if you want blinds like this, I would definitely go against having just white. I would have probably dark colours, but I didn't want any other colour, because again, if you put in colours, then you're limited of your accessories in your bedding or your suite if you've got them in your front room. So I literally wanted white. They are nice. They've got a tiny little silver shimmer of silver across there, and then in between the bits here, there's got a shimmer as well. So it's just dainty. It's not too heavy. So as I say, they're nice, but they don't block out the light. This is another from IKEA. It was just an alcove, and we needed to bridge it in and make it into a wardrobe. And now that's a double wardrobe, 2 hanging rails in there, doors from IKEA, dirt cheap, and bridge it in with a mirror, which also come from IKEA, and it just fits absolutely perfect. So there's my bedroom, guys. Not too bad, blank canvas, and this is what we've done so far. So yeah, hope you like it. We're going to shoot downstairs and go from there. See you in a bit.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know whether you found it a bit boring, I don't know, but you know, it's what it is. We're all at home, we've all got to try and keep ourselves busy and occupied. So what I would like to say is stay safe and stay at home, and please protect our NHS. I worked for the NHS for many years, and I worked in ITU for 10 years, and the nurses do an absolutely fantastic job. You will not get better nurses anywhere across the NHS or anywhere in the country. Our nurses are gold. So please stay at home, stop spreading the virus, and hopefully we can all go out soon. So thank you to the NHS. If there's anyone watching from the NHS, especially on the front line, you're doing a fantastic job, and honestly, thank you. Keep going, and let's get through this. See you soon. Bye.